This 16-inch wireless portable monitor is an incredibly versatile second screen that's perfect for working, traveling, or sharing content on the go. The built-in battery makes it truly wireless and portable, providing around 4 to 5 hours of use without needing to stay plugged in, a huge plus for coffee shops, flights, gaming setups, or moving between rooms. When connected to a laptop or gaming device using a wired connection that is included, the monitor really shines. You get the full 2.5K high-resolution display at 2560 by 1600p, which looks sharp, vibrant, and spacious. Text is crisp, details are clear, and the extra resolution makes multitasking, editing, and gaming feel so much more immersive compared to standard portable monitors. It genuinely feels like a premium external display rather than a lightweight travel screen. The monitor also supports wireless connections, which are great for convenience and quick screen sharing from phones or tablets. It's important to note that wireless mode runs at a little bit less resolution than when it's wired connection. Having both options gives you flexibility depending on whether you prioritize resolution or cable-free use. Another standout feature is the auto rotate function when connected to a phone, making it easy to switch between portrait and landscape viewing. The dual built-in speakers are surprisingly clear for a portable monitor, which is perfect for casual video watching, presentations, or gaming without external speakers. Setup is simple, and it's great that everything is included: the cables, the HDMI cable, and a charger, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Overall, this monitor is an excellent choice if you want a high-resolution, battery-powered second screen that delivers top-tier clarity when wired and convenient flexibility when wireless. It's lightweight, powerful, and ideal for productivity, entertainment, or gaming wherever you go.